Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ty. We do a lot of hair tutorials over here. So today we are going to be styling these kinky straight clip-ins. So the company that I'm working with today is Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. These are 100% human hair extensions and they are in the texture kinky straight. Keep in mind, Amazing Beauty specializes in clip-in and tape-in extensions. They have every texture imaginable. You can get silky straight, you get kinky straight, you can get kinky curly, yucky, all that, okay? They have it all. So I decided to go with kinky straight because that is what blends best with my hair. So today I'm going to be showing you, I believe, 4 different styles using these clip-ins. So here you just see me opening the package. I do have 2 sets of clip-ins, and for this video I did use most of the 2. So to get a complete style, I do suggest getting 2 packs of these. I have them in 18 inches. I believe they go up to 22 inches, but I will have all the specs and details down below. I'm showing you the construction here. The quality and the construction of these clip-ins are A1. When I tell you the clips and the reinforcement on the band is quality, it's up there. So what I do here is I'm just going to press out the clip-ins with the flat iron because my hair is blow dried and flat ironed. I am natural, but my hair is fine, so it straightens very easily. So I've had my hair straight for a few weeks now because I've been doing a lot of U parts, V parts, all that. I am trying to refrain from heat, but Lord knows this heat has a hold on me. But anyway, you're going to see me press these clip-ins out and try a few different styles. Real cute. Overall, I think this is a really good investment. These are very reasonably priced and the quality is bomb. I was able to achieve quite a few different styles and they all look very realistic and natural. I know a lot of girls are doing the tape-ins and the micro links, and that's cool, but clip-ins are OG. They are a staple. I suggest everyone have a pair of clip-ins in their rotation for hairstyles, hair weaves, all of that. So yeah, all the details will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Me, myself, my allergies are on 1,000, so, but nonetheless, baby, I gotta work. So I'm gonna continue to get these videos out for you guys. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop it down below. And thank you to Amazing Beauty for sponsoring today's video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Turn to a savage, I got fatter. She call me daddy. Smoking that gas, girl on that sign, she on the powder. Nowadays, I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got long, still got louder, car got faster. Turn to a savage, I got fatter. She call me daddy. Smoking that gas, girl on that sign, I'm on the powder. Nowadays, I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got longer. outside. When they pull up, they get me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping our coops. This shit way too big. When we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at Boost. Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 24-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the crew. I just landed in, just be mixing spot like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish it was a new. Someone said,
in the retreat, we all in too deep. Play that hand for keeps, don't play off the weak.
someone said,
In the retreat, we all in too deep. Play that hand for keeps, don't play off the weak.
this shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the roach. About to turn this function into binary. Told her hop in, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slide the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, and it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said,
Hand for keeps,
someone said, motherfucker, someone said.
don't play off the weak.